Hello everyone, so how to create a custom workspace URL in Notion. So just go to settings here on the left, then you go settings, and then here you can add your custom name, custom domain. Just do that, and then as you can see you will have your custom domain here in the URL, so it's automatically updated and you can see that. So it's kind of pretty cool, just kind of like a brand recognition. So yeah, you have this domain, and then you can also add allowed email domains so people can join instantly your workspace, and then you can just share this workspace instantly, so it has a nice URL. So okay, I'll just go to a home page here. And there you have it. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.